My name is Teacher Jessica, and I have been a teacher for over 15 years. I have taught early childhood, elementary school. As a librarian, I taught the entire school, and middle school as well. I just finished my first year of online teaching with VIP Kid and GoGo Kid. It was really a fun and exciting experience. I love teaching with the students in the online setting, as well as extending the lesson content to bring new and authentic knowledge where there wasn't one before. This has always been my love of learning. I am married with 4 kids. In our free time, we like to watch movies, as well as I like to read books and paint. And I am currently finishing my first written by and illustrated by me book. So that is an exciting thing too. I hope that I can continue my journey with you and bring students new and authentic learning too. Bye. Thank you.